Rabblings, it's your girl Leah here, and right now my day for drop a hot mix-up. Tell me, what would you do? Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings.
Someone when me hear talk down about stripper, I want some slap up, box up, fix up, and all of them nice something they call. Only not good in a bed, one. Only not flexible, only stiff like a board, two. Only pussy stink, only not wine pan with three. Someone green. By the time the night for done, green, all on just walk in and smell molly. On a clothes, chaka, on a ear all over the place, but trust me, when you see a stripper going out during the daytime, even if she have no wig on, trust me, that bitch smell good, she look fucking good, and she is pleasant as fuck. You don't look at her as a stripper, you're like, damn, did I see you in the strip club last night? And you can't talk to that bitch because she's going to the bank to deposit her own motherfucking check. But don't take it from me. Come into the world and understand. And later on, the same one them will talk down as strippers that me see. I want to come to the club to dance. How do I go about doing that? Bitch, go fuck off. Go suck your mother. Why you do it drunk, bro? Why you do it? Don't come to me. Must see all I know. Don't come to me. If you don't want to start strip, go ask no mother or go look from blood clot, YouTube and fucking Google, because them have everything. Me don't know nothing about stripping. At the same girl who know this, at the same girl me soon come back run, come praise, go suck on my mother. Anyway, I think I'm overdoing it now. I'm gonna stop giving y'all too much info. TMI. Let me tell you, I'm talented. We're multi-blood clot talented. We can do makeup. We can do hair. We know how to make it one a costume. We're flexible. What else? We can count. We know how to make it a man. Ooh. We're counselors. Hey, we counsel no found no money now. No found a man come here and want left for no blood clot. And I tell her by the time we done talk to the man come home, treats on a nice. Buy on a gift, we tell the man them out for blood clot treats and on a dirty ungrateful blood clot come in a club, come skin up on the face. I don't want her to dance on me. No. You're next. Go suck your mother. Sometimes we want to lick someone, but you want to the man money. Therefore, just smile and walk it out. Trust me.
Because when the girl on the too Betsy.
Reach your comment. They say up to 30 times.
I hope someone understand what I say.
I hear people they understand. A Jamaican.
Well, sending on a flag. Let me see one where it come from. Because I talk rap patois. Sometimes we speak English, but let me get in my mood. I talk it down to the blood clot. One thing I not gonna allow a girl to do, I disrespect me. One thing I not gonna allow a customer to do, I disrespect me. Can you see anyone I don't feel like I don't want this me? This a nice blood clot girl, yeah? This nice girl with her bank account up full of blood clot, come on. The way me I got this so no, I can't feel like it is nothing. Because sometimes some amount of money across is and voodoo money. Trust me. Sometimes some amount are real crosses. Sometimes I got some places with the dirty money and them say come throw it on a stripper. But me is a praying girl. If I make $1 tonight, I say thank you Jesus. Bless it, guide it, sanctify it and cover it under your blood. And I denounce everything that's not of you from it. Remember me tell you that. No can come in and come farm fool with me. Come take no step on me, come diss me. And come feel like I don't want to throw nothing from me. I'm blessed girl. Always. Alright.
Huh?
So
y'all love the internet, huh?
This is how I big bad security.
Talk about my stomach. I'm still on the diet. How y'all got stuck on those piles of those girls twice?
Huh? You know, sometimes some money is throwing, but you just don't give a fuck. You just be like, you know what? We never put anything in anyone's pocket, so it is what it is.
Crazy.
It's okay.
I knew you was going to, but I'm looking at 4.
Bye, guys. Love you. Krishan.
And that's why y'all should tell them.
I'm not good with names.
But we was. But for some reason, I don't know why they couldn't hear before.
These securities get paid really good to protect us. So if y'all bitches coming here and feel like y'all want to do this, we ain't have to do this back because y'all getting this bitch from our security. Because we pay them motherfucking good. Love you too, baby. Bye, guys. Have a good night.
Hey Rabblings, it's your girl Leah here, and right now my day for drop a hot mix up. Tell me, what would you do? Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings.